Hi, my name is Sawutjan Qasim, ethnic Uyghur. I live in the United States. Today I'm going to testify about my brother, Sayithaji Qasim. This is my elder brother, Sayithaji Qasim. He was detained by Chinese police without any reason more than 2 years ago in Kashgar, northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. Since then, he has been disappeared. He was born November 23rd, 1972. This is his Chinese ID number. Before he has been detained, he was a urologist in Kashgar region, number 2 hospital. And he was a very well-known, respected physician, and he was always invited to other hospitals to perform surgery to the patients with the urinary disease. And he was widely publicized by Chinese media for his significant contribution to the medical science in that area. This is the article in the website I have downloaded, and it is said he had made his own mark on the history, and he won the top prize of the science and the technology in Kashgar area. Before he had been detained, he had a very happy and very good family, and he has 2 kids. And it's a time for the kids to have their parents with them together, but he's not here. Recently, Chinese government said the people who sent to the re-education camps has been all been released, but still now I haven't got any information from my brother, and I know it's obviously a fake news, and the Chinese government always does this kind of thing as they did before. Please help me spread this video. Thank you very much.